Another really great feature that I like about Google Docs is the ability for voice typing. If I click on Tools, I'll then see voice typing here. If I click on it, it will bring up a little microphone that will allow me to be able to speak, and Google Docs will turn my speech into text. Let's give it a try. Once I click on the microphone, it wants to allow to be able to access my microphone. I'll click on the Allow button, and here we go. As I begin to talk, it will type for me, period. As I begin to talk, it will type all of the information that I speak for me, period. This is a really great feature that I really enjoy about using Google Docs, period. And in order to stop it, I'll click the microphone again. I can also use things like add a new line and a few other commands that will make it even easier to use. But as you can see, this is a really great feature about Google Docs.